Hello there students, good morning. Welcome back to English class. Students, we are doing chapter 7, A Voyage in English Reader. We had the reading and explanation yesterday. Now, in today's class, we're going to solve exercise A, B and C given in this chapter. So, let's begin with it. Exercise A is tick the correct answer. So, we have to choose the correct one and tick it correct. Let's see, the first sentence is the animals decided to dash a boat, buy, sell, hire. I have already solved it for you. The correct option is hire. Hire means किराए पर लेना. Animals ने ये decide किया था कि वो एक बोट किराए पर लेंगे. Okay, let's move on to the second sentence. The ape and the goat dashed nearly. The ape and the goat fainted nearly. So option third is correct. Fainted. Fainted means बेहोश हो जाना. Monkey और goat बिल्कुल बेहोश हो जाते हैं. Next one is they felt dash at the end of their journey. लास्ट में वो जब जर्नी एंड करते हैं तो वो कैसा फील करते हैं? हैप्पी, सॉरो, एक्साइटेड. यस, द सेकेंड ऑप्शन इज करेक्ट. सॉरी. दे फेल्ट सॉरी एट द एंड ऑफ देयर जर्नी. वो सॉरी फील करते हैं जब उनकी जर्नी खत्म होती है तब. ओके, नाउ लेट्स मूव ऑन टू एक्सरसाइज सी. In exercise C, it's very simple. You have to complete the lines. So all the green letters are the answers. Okay, I have already written and completed the lines for you. The first one is the horse. You have to write and the tiger. Second line, the ape. You have to write and the goat. Third, decided. You have to write one morning. Next, two, you have to write hire a boat. Second stanza, when, you have to write all of a sudden. There is given, write blew a great gale. The horse is given, you have to add was a tremble. The is given, you have to write for the tiger grew pale. Okay, so with this we have completed 2 stanzas of the poem. Okay, now, so we have done with this exercise B also. Let's move on to exercise C. And in exercise C, we have to explain these lines of the poem. Okay, let's see what's the question. For to leave their own country and find a new one. इस लाइन्स को हमें एक्सप्लेन करना है, इसको व्याख्या करनी है शॉर्ट में. सो राइट इन आंसर. In these lines, the poet says that there are 4 friends: the horse, the tiger, the ape, and the goat. One day they decided that they would leave their native country and go on a voyage in search of a new land, just like Columbus did. So, इस लाइन्स में पोएट कहता है कि 4 दोस्त होते हैं, हॉर्स, टाइगर, एप और गोट. एक दिन वो लोग डिसाइड करते हैं कि वो अपनी खुद की जो कंट्री है, देश है, उसको छोड़ करके एक वॉयज पे निकल जाएंगे और एक नई जगह की तलाश में निकलेंगे, जैसे कि कोलंबस ने किया था. इन द थर्ड लाइन वन वर्ड इज मिसिंग. ओके, दैट दे वुड लीव. You have to add that here. Okay, so write they after that. Now let's move further to a wonderful country which nobody knows. These are the lines from the last stanza of the poem. Write the answer as this line describes that after a long voyage, the 4 friends finally reached a country which is very strange to them. It is wonderful and splendid, but nobody knows about this land. So, ये लाइंस ये डिस्क्राइब करता है कि एक लंबी जर्नी के बाद जब चारों दोस्त फाइनली एक ऐसे देश में पहुंचते हैं जो कि बहुत ही ज़्यादा अजनबी उनके लिए होता है, वो बहुत ही वंडरफुल, अद्भुत तो होता है, शानदार भी होता है, लेकिन किसी को भी उस लैंड के बारे में पता नहीं होता है। So with this we have solved exercise A, B and C. The next exercise, exercise D, we will solve hopefully in our next class. Okay, so I'll see you next class. Thank you.